Hello and welcome back to the channel. How are you? I have a project shared. I got these paper mache boxes from Hobby Lobby. They were on sale, and what I wanted to make was some friendship boxes. So here's what I made. So I painted the boxes nice and black all around. I added a nice tag that says "For You." Did one of my nice bows and put one of those nice jimmies inside. Inside the box, there's a teacup with a card from Starbucks that says "Have a cup of tea or me." Then I made a pad, a paper pad for them with the Dollar Tree paper pads. I added some butterfly clips. I added a pencil. This person's going to be going back to school, so I got a manicure kit, because you know how when you're working with paper and everything, you probably need to do your nails. Little sticky notes, some Tylenol, because you know you're going to have a headache. Some chocolate, and a little stand so you could stand your phone up on your desk while you're working. So I thought this was a nice little friendship box to give to my friend who's going back to school. And I thought the little choice of items were pretty good that she would have, with the cup of tea and the pad and everything. So I'm thinking this is a nice friendship box. And so both boxes, and the little pen, I like the little pen because it kind of matches the paper and everything. So it turned out to be a nice box. I left the box like this inside. I didn't cover it or anything so that you could see what's in it. And then the person could decide when they give it to somebody else if you want to have it another use. So I left it like that. Oh, let me put the "Have a cup of tea or me" inside. So that's what I did. So both boxes are the same. This one has the tea also, and all the same things, except for this person likes candy, so I gave him an M&M and a Godiva box, but everything else in the box is the same. So this is my friendship box that I'm going to share with my friends tomorrow. So tell me what you think. Good idea? Bad idea? What would you put if you made friendship boxes like this? What would you put in your boxes for your friends, and how would you do it? I appreciate your comments, because I want to make a couple more, and so I probably need a couple of ideas. Could you give this video a thumbs up, because thumbs up always helps my channel. Also, if you're not a subscriber, press that subscribe button and subscribe. I do a lot of different things over here. Starts out first with my planning, then everything else gets in there. So have a wonderful week. I'll talk to you soon. Be the reason somebody smiles, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.